Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Bulgarian knife, this time from Manly company, model Pick One Hand. The box contains the manufacturer's leaflet with specification, two keys that allow adjusting the knife, and of course the knife itself. Total length is 22 cm, blade length is 9.5 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm. Blade steel is Sandvik 14C 28N. It's a Swedish stainless steel with very good quality, with very little impurities. Tempered between 59 to 61 HRC, full flat grind, satin finish. On one side is the name of the manufacturer, Manly. On the other, the inscription 14C 28N. Opening with a hole in the blade. The handle is made of FRN, it's a fiberglass reinforced nylon. Only Sorb.bg offers this knife with this type of handle. Back lock. On the lock you can see an inscription, the name of the model, Peak. The lock works perfectly and I'm delighted with its mechanics. Back locks often work very hard and you have to put a lot of strength to fold the knife, but not here. Stainless steel dip carry pocket clip with the company's logo, depicting as some kind of a flower or a twig. The pocket clip can be moved to the other side of the handle. In summary, a very interesting folding knife, very easy to keep it clean, made in Bulgaria. Opening with a hole in the blade makes unfolding very easy. Very good stainless steel, very light knife. The knife is also great for working in non-aggressive conditions. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.